Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the author of sticky notes not showing issue in your Lucidchart diagrams and presentations. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the diagram. As you can see, I added a sticky note to this example diagram here. If you don't know how to do this, navigate to the shape feature here on the left hand side and scroll up, select sticky notes, position it on your canvas here. Now I can do this with this account status, so I will go with that example sticky note. And usually, whenever you add a sticky note to your canvas, you will see the author name here, like your username usually, or the username of the co-editor you have given access to the given project and who has added the sticky note to the canvas. So if you don't see the name, but you would like to find out who's the author of the sticky note, you will need to access the collaborator settings here at the top by clicking into this button. And from there, what you want to do, guys, is click into Show Authors here. And there you go. As you can see, the Show Authors tab has been switched on, and here we see also the author of that sticky note, which is, as previously mentioned, my username. If you hover your mouse over it, you will see the creation date, which is 21 hours ago, and also the last modification and by the given user. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.